Word coming in from our government sources, government is going to present the economic survey on 3rd of July, which is the last day of the special session of Parliament. Union budget will be presented on 22nd of July during the monsoon session is what we are learning from our sources. Now this will be the first full budget of Modi government 3.0 and monsoon session, remember, is going to be from 22nd of July till 9th of August. We have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta joining us on the broadcast over this story. Payal, a very good morning to you. This is certainly going to be an iconic achievement for Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also because she has just crossed the record of Morarji Desai, if I'm not wrong.
If I'm not wrong, then Nirmala Sitharaman will be presenting a 7th budget in a row, the most by any finance minister in this Modi government of the last decade that they've been in power. And of course, it's an important budget given the fact that, in March when we had a brief session, it was a temporary budget. It was in fact an interim budget just passed. And that's why you saw no announcements really happen over there because that was just vote on account. But this time around, Nirmala Sitharaman is expected to pass a full budget. She's expected to present the budget on the 22nd of July when the monsoon session of Parliament resumes. Of course, after that, you will have discussion on the budget, etc. And that's the reason that part of the session will be from 22nd July up to, of course, 9th of August. As far as the economic survey is concerned, on the last day of the special session of Parliament, which gets underway on the 24th, you will see the economic survey being tabled. So that's what the information is coming in as well. Remember, the BJP has been able to come back to power this time around, but not with a complete majority as well. So the opposition parties also realizes that they'll put government on the mat when it comes to multiple issues. They've already started citing issues that they wanted to raise in the upcoming session of Parliament.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for putting all that into perspective for our viewers. All eyes are going to be on the monsoon session and, of course, that budget coming up by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story, Payal. Right now, shifting focus to another piece of breaking news now coming.